The human brain was never designed for constant noise, yet modern life rarely allows silence. Music plays in the background, notifications interrupt every moment, even relaxation is filled with sound. And science is now discovering that this absence of silence has real consequences for the human brain. For most of human history, silence was normal. Sound appeared only when something meaningful happened, a conversation, a warning, a moment of connection. Today, sound is constant. Phones vibrate, media autoplays, background noise never stops. The brain is always processing something, and without realizing it, we have removed one of the most important conditions the brain needs to function properly: silence. Silence is not empty. When external noise disappears, the brain shifts into a different mode of operation. Neural activity reorganizes, cognitive load decreases, internal regulation begins. In scientific terms, silence reduces sensory input, allowing the nervous system to recover from constant stimulation. This is when the brain performs maintenance. Memory consolidation improves, stress signaling reduces, mental clarity increases. Silence allows the brain to reset its internal balance. Without constant sound, the nervous system moves away from fight or flight. Heart rate slows, breathing deepens, muscle tension decreases. The parasympathetic nervous system becomes more active, the system responsible for calm, digestion, and recovery. This response is automatic. It does not require belief. It does not require effort. The body responds to silence because it evolved in it. Research has shown that periods of silence can reduce stress hormones. Studies also suggest that silence supports brain plasticity, the brain's ability to adapt, reorganize, and recover. Even short periods without noise have measurable effects on mental performance and emotional regulation. Silence is not passive. It is biologically active. Many people avoid silence, not because it is harmful, but because it removes distraction. In silence, thoughts become noticeable. Emotions surface. The mind is no longer occupied. Modern life conditions us to fill every gap. But this discomfort is not a warning sign. It is a sign that the brain is beginning to process. Early human environments were quiet by default. Nature did not produce constant noise. Night brought silence. Movement was deliberate. The human nervous system developed under these conditions. Silence was not a practice, it was the environment. Modern life reversed this pattern in just a few generations. Biology has not caught up. Silence is not an escape from life. It is how the brain restores itself. Modern science is only beginning to understand what the nervous system has always known. Sometimes, the most powerful intervention is not adding something new, but removing what was never meant to be constant. Ancient patterns, modern science, human health.